don't ever say goodbye to all the awful things I hide, to all the pain I heal inside. Did I lose my mind?
Hello everybody, my name is Daniel Dettwiler and I'm a mixing engineer and I'm doing this since 30 years. My first mix I've done with 16 years and it was okay, but it was not really big sounding, it was not really lush sounding and there was no width and no depth. I think my speciality nowadays is that I can create a huge depth of feel. If you are an upcoming mixer or a musician that also mixes, I know where your problems are. Join to my course. I've created this masterclass to teach you my method of mixing and, more important, my method of analyzing the sounds and then mix it until it sounds as great as other tracks that you love to listen to.